February 6th, 2014. About 10 o'clock in the morning, and here comes the Buffalo and Pittsburgh train southbound at Elm Street. There go the bells. Hopefully this picture quality is good because I'm zoomed in here. And it's hard to tell that this guy's coming closer, but here he comes. That's a different engine. I thought that... I'll back up here a little bit. There he goes. Oh, it's a big green one. And an orange one. Then another green one. There's some cars. We'll go back up to the front here. There they go. On towards Owens Way. On a nice winter day. Owens Way on a winter day. Go back over here. There's the crossing. Some tank cars coming. They'll be going upgrade. This is a big train. Oh, maybe there's the, is that the end of it? Yeah, that's the end of it. It's not as big as I thought. Those hopper cars have some strange noises coming out of them. Brakes dragging or something. Okay, there we go. First video of 2014. That's what passes for caboose. End of train device. And the end of this movie. Manny! That's from Runaway Train.